guys, sometimes you just gotta spend a dime to make life easier. Know what I mean? Sometimes it just ain't worth fighting with. Sometimes you just gotta pay the piper. And sometimes we all need a little help. Like it says so right there on the package. This fucking thing. I think a lot of people have this problem because, well, clearly they make one. So for literally years, and yeah, a little too long it looks like, literally years I've been using this hood blanket here as a well, hood prop holder. And well, yeah, no more. Sick of it. I finally remembered to get one. I've been wanting to get one forever. I mean, years I've been wanting one. And well, wouldn't you know it? I mean, every time I'm placing an order for something, I forget to look this thing up. And I finally did it. So let's see if it works. Something like that. Something like this. Huh? Is that it? Could it be that easy? Yeah, let's find out. Can I hold the camera and actuate the actuation here? Get in there. Yeah. Yes. Yes, indeed. Crunchy, but hey, whatever. Call it a fucking day right there. Yeah, you know, life sucks half the time, and these little things, just a little thing like that. Sometimes it's worth just spending a dime to put a smile on my face, and yeah, let's see how long it holds up. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say about that. Spend a dime sometimes. It's worth every penny.